Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to add a YouTube video to a banner in BannerBoo. To do this, go to the menu with Video Libraries and select the YouTube tab. In this tab, click on the video icon to add the YouTube container to the workspace. To add our video to the container, you need to go to the Video Settings tab from the drop-down menu. As you can see, in the first field we can add a URL link to our video. We can also change the start time of our video. In this case, we will set it to 16 seconds. We can also set auto video playback, video looping, enable, disable the display of the YouTube logo. You can also enable sound playback on mouse hover, enable, disable the video control panel, and set the volume of the sound if necessary. For YouTube videos, as well as for regular videos and images, a filter panel is available. Here you can change the hue, brightness, add blur and use other filters. The ending of your video will match the ending time of your banner. In this case, the segment we need will be up to 7.5 seconds. Now let's add some other elements to complete the composition of our banner. Let's speed up this process as shown in previous videos. It is worth noting that this banner is best viewed through the preview of the banner itself, and not through the editor's preview, since YouTube is an external source, and we need to see the finished result. Now let's look at our banner. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, have a nice day, and until the next video.